Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we have just had come in a stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi S5 Sportback Vorsprung with the 3-litre V6 TDI with the Petrol Tiptronic 4-wheel drive system and automatic gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning Daytona grey metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From this engine you get 336 brake horsepower with 700 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds and onto a top speed of 155 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 20-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in matte grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork. This being a Vorsprung, you get black mirror caps and black window surrounds with a darkened rear privacy glass and this fabulous panoramic glass sunroof to let maximum sunlight into the cabin. With the electrically operated tailgate open you get 430 litres of boot space, which is perfect for your everyday essentials as well as your weekend away luggage. The interior is finished in full fine Napa leather with the contrasting grey stitching, with the centre armrest with dual cup holders and the tri-zone climate control and outer heated rear seats for the rear passengers' maximum comfort. Also fitted to the outer seats is the Isofix point, so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display as well as the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are super sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are electrically adjustable with massage function, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. Also for the driver you have 2 levels of preset memory function just in case you have multiple drivers. And the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system offers the crystal clear audio whatever the occasion. Just above the steering wheel we have the heads up display so that all important information is displayed in front of you. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control such as mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the park assist buttons bringing up the 360-degree camera system, making sure you never dink that precious paintwork, and the park assist which lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is change gear, brake and accelerate when prompted to do so. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.